Hello everyone, this is Omar. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to come up with an idea for your next YouTube video or blog post. So if you're interested about it, just keep watching. Okay, so here we are, and now we're going to search for what people are asking about, because for sure you don't want to make a video or write a blog post about answering a question people are not usually asking about or looking at. So you need to answer what people are looking at or people are asking about. So in order to do that, you need first to know what are their questions. So you need to go to this website called Answer the Public. You just write your keyword here. For example, if you're gonna make a video about let's say affiliate marketing, you can hit search and wait for the results. It will give you a lot of questions about what people are asking for according to this specific niche, affiliate marketing. It may take a little bit of time, maybe 1 minute to 2 minutes. That's what they are saying at their website. Also, it's not a free tool, so you need to purchase a plan with this company. But if you want to avoid that, you can just use a VPN, because if you didn't use VPN, it will tell you that you have hit the maximum number of free searches for today, which is 2 searches per day. So in order to, like, let's say, manipulate them and avoid that page from coming up, you can just use that VPN. It's an extension you can use on Google Chrome or Firefox, and you can just change the country depending on in which country you used to hit the searches. For example, if you use Netherlands and you had the maximum searches, you will then need to change it to France or to Switzerland, to Poland, and so on. So here we are. You can just scroll down and you'll see all of these questions. For example, if you read like how affiliate marketing is important in digital marketing, you can write a blog post about this, why affiliate marketing is very important in digital marketing. You can just make a video about it. So people are asking about this question. So whenever you make a video about one of these questions, you're gonna see a traffic coming to your blog post or YouTube video, because people are looking for these questions. They are waiting for answers for these questions. So whenever you make a video or blog post about one of these keywords, let's say, you're gonna absolutely gain some traffic to your website or YouTube channel. So that's it. You can just scroll down and you're gonna see all of these questions. Also, it's here sorted by alphabets. You can find everything according or related to this keyword that you have chosen, and that's it. So that's it for now. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and also hit that like button. If you have any question regarding this video, you can just leave a comment down below. I'm gonna answer you, and that's it. See you at the next video.